Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, I'm here at the Mirra Frisco, and this is their fitness center. It's pretty cool. It is 2 stories, so there's a lot to do here. Let's just walk through this a little bit. Got a great amount of mirrors, so it's so important. People think that weightlifters and us fitness folks need mirrors because we're self-centered, but we're just checking out, making sure we're covering the proper muscles that we need to work out that day. That's all there is to it. We are not self-centered, I promise. No, maybe we are. Anyway, you've got a really good fitness center here, and you've got a great amount of treadmills. They're here. You got some ellipticals. You got a really nice Smith machine. You got some really good other equipment over here. That's a nice chest press, incline press, seated leg curl, stuff like that is over here. And then you've got a lat pull down right here. That's really good. And then, hey, now let's go to the second floor because there's more. Wow. Really impressive. It's really cool to see this, by the way. It's really, by the way, it's kind of cool. So you're not going to be hot ever when you're working out here. On the second floor, you've got, it's more of a studio in here. So you've got, looks like 2 rolling bikes that are over there. You've got, this is more of a kind of a green floor. It's really nice. And this really sophisticated little area too. And it looks out, so it's pretty cool. It looks out with some great windows. And then there's the first floor again. Wow, pretty big. There's some water over here as well. So nice to see that. And then there's a TV that can be going if you want it to go. Hey, this is what it looks like over here at the Mirra Frisco in their fitness center. If you have any questions about anything you're seeing, of course, send in a text to me. And when you're ready to take a tour, virtual tour or live tour, send in a text as well. I'll take care of that with our free service.